So we start off today's video with a long to short hair transformation. Wow, look at all of that hair. I always love to see when women go from hair that is like way past waist length to like hair that is short. Just so much fun and inspiring to see. So she's doing a DIY haircut here. Yeah, I can imagine she's probably feeling so many emotions cutting that much hair off. Her hair is so thick and beautiful too. So there she does the other side. And she does like a nice, simple, mid-length cut here. I think she should probably go to the salon and get it turned into a bob. I think a bob, an angled bob would look so amazing on her. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she also has super long waist length hair here. And bam, gets the hair cut into a bob. Beautiful. She's got a gorgeous blunt bob cut here. Center part down the middle, nice, fresh, and clean. So moving on to hair transformation number 3. So it looks like this is the stylist here. Oh, she's doing a cut and color. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous pixie with the highlights. Now this one does have a mushroom cut shape to it. Very 90s inspired. We're seeing a lot of the mushroom pixie taking off as far as trends are concerned. And the color really just adds a nice little modern refresh. Very cute. Next up, looks like we have someone in the salon with an uneven bob. Now she might have a bit of breakage here, not entirely sure. The bob definitely looks uneven. stylist is adding in some bangs. Oh, so she ended up getting like a nice little Shaggy Pixie cut. Oh, this is cute. Very modern and right on trend with a lot of the pixies that we are seeing. Like I was saying before, bangs with pixies are definitely having a moment right now, and I like the shaggy twist and feel of this one. Next up, we have an all black pixie style. Now this one also features that 90s mushroom style with the bangs and full sideburns. Gorgeous cut. And then it looks like we have another major hair transformation here. So I'm not sure if this is how short she is going to go, but this definitely looks like a shortened pixie style we're going to see here. Cutting off the top of the hair. So there is the inspiration for this cut. This is giving very like 90s inspired. So it looks like we're going to be seeing a lot of 90s influence when it comes to shorter hairstyles this year. Gorgeous. Love the feathered layers. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.